Okay, guys. So likewise, we can go for the volatile suspended solids. Okay, total suspended solids is equal to 239. Volatile suspended solid कशा काढायचे तर volatile suspended solid is equal to total suspended solids minus fixed solids. Okay, जी फिक्स टोटल सस्पेंडेड सॉलिड काढण्यासाठी जे आपण फिल्टर पेपर घेतला होता, that filter paper we have used to find out the fixed solids by using the muffle furnace. Okay, so we have kept that into the muffle furnace for drying purpose. Now VSS is equal to TSS minus FSS. आता TSS किती आहे 239 कॅल्क्युलेट केलं होतं ऑलरेडी आपण, and fixed suspended solid is 99. So 239 minus 99, answer please. 239 minus 99, it may be 1. Yes, answer 140. 140. I will add this number 140 here and we'll check the answer. Answer is correct. Okay, this way we can determine fixed suspended solids, volatile suspended solids. Then we can determine total suspended solids. We can determine total dissolved solids. Okay, once more the question is there. What is the acceptable range of total dissolved solids in drinking water? आता तुम्ही जेव्हा एमपीएससी किंवा गेटचे प्रिपरेशन करत असता त्यावेळेस व्हेरियस पॅरामीटरचे स्टँडर्ड लिमिट तुमचे पाठ पाहिजे ते, बरोबर आहे, तरच तुम्हाला ते पटपट आन्सर करता येतात आणि मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन्स हे त्याच्याच बेसिसवरती असतात. सो लाईकवाइज दिस क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग आस्क्ड हियर. What is the acceptable range of total dissolved solids in drinking water? It is less than or equal to 500 milligram per liter. I will click on this option. So Mahesh has already answered. Suraj also answered. So I will click their answer over here and will check submit. Answer is correct. So note here it is written. Please note down. Interference of this is the acceptable range of total dissolved solid in drinking water is less than 500 milligram per liter. The water sample given has 798 milligram per liter of total dissolved solids. So it is not in the BIS standard range for drinking purpose. That means we need to apply treatment for removal of total dissolved solids into the water. Okay, so this way this experiment is over. त्याच्यामध्ये काय तुम्हाला कळालं नसेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता. We have gone for the procedure and simulation. Now post test we will go for. Shall we perform the post test? Yes. The concentration of dissolved solids in water can be determined by specific conductance. Answer received. Answer please. The concentration of dissolved solid in water can be determined by specific conductance. Concentration of dissolved solid in water can be determined by specific conductance. आपण dissolved solids आणि specific conductance कुठे वाचलं का? Dissolved solids determine केले, specific conductance चा कुठे विषय आला होता का? नाही. So the option is false. I am filling. So I will click it on false. Yes, so Mahesh also answered false. So I will click it on false. We'll go to the next one. The settleable suspended solids with diameter 0.15 to 0.2 mm are generally organic or inorganic, or algae fungi. Algae fungi, that is not possible. Okay, settlable suspended solids we are talking with the diameter of 0.15 to 0.2 mm are generally organic असतात काही inorganic असतात. Reply. Okay, many of you have answered A option. Vaishnavi, Mahesh, Shital, Suraj, you have answered A. Sonali Patil. Okay, I will go by your answer, inorganic. Okay, we'll discuss later. Then next, the dissolved solids that impose BOD. BOD stands for biochemical oxygen demand. are the dissolved solids that impose BOD are non-volatile solids, total solids, inorganic solids, and volatile solids. Dissolved solids that impose BOD. Non-volatile solids, total solids, inorganic solids, and volatile solids. Biochemical oxygen demand. Okay, I have received option D from many of you. So I will go with your answer, volatile solid. I will click it on volatile solid. As per IS code, the acceptable TDS value is, आताच झालाय डिस्कशन, त्यामुळे ह्याचा आन्सर करेक्ट सांगताल तुम्ही. Okay, option C. So many of you, Pragati, Swapnil, so what is this? Suryavansh, I think. Survasi. So many of you have answered option C. So I will go by your answer, option C. The presence of high total solids in water changes the color and taste of water. The presence of high total solids in water changes the color and taste of water. False or true? F or T? You can write please F or T. Instead of AB, write down F or T. Okay, Saurabh written true. Vaishnavi written true. Swapnil and Swapnil Kakade, Suraj written false. So many answers received true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay, alternate answers receiving to me. So I will, the presence of high total solid in water changes the color and taste of water. I will click on true. Okay, and we'll check the answers now. Okay, how many answers correct? Okay, submit 3 out of 5. Means 2 answers are wrong. True, false चे answer चुकले. Concentration of dissolved solid in water can be determined by specific conductance. I may be wrong here. Specific conductance. I need to read it once again. Okay, so that answer will be true. And here the presence of total solid, high total solids in water changes color and taste of water. It changes color of water. So it is affecting on the turbidity. Transmission of light, scattering of light. It will affect on the transmission of light, but no matter of color and taste. Color and taste will change due to dissolved solids. Total solids specifically, it will be changing the turbidity. It will affect on the turbidity factor. So this way, these answers, these questions with answer, I will forward you in the teaching line. So this is what the way to perform the experiment: determination of total solids, total dissolved solid, total suspended solids, fixed solids, and volatile solids. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll see the simulation demo link is given, experimental demo is given. various references are given. Then we'll see what is there in a feedback. Dear user, thanks for using virtual labs. Your opinion is valuable to us. To help us improve, we would like to ask you a few questions about your experience. It will only take 3 minutes. Okay. Share your experience. We'll share. Okay, later on I can share. Let me know if you have any question. Do you have any question to me, not to IITians? If you have question to IITians, you can go to Google, type the word virtual labs and come back to this tab, and then you can click on the video feedback. Okay, any question, any problem? If not, I will note down your attendance and then we'll close the meeting. Okay, no problem. Mahesh is saying, Suraj, no need to write the your roll numbers for attendance. I have taken screenshots. Don't write the your roll numbers. I have taken screenshot. No worry for attendance. Guys, those who were not talking, they are writing their attendance number. Don't write it, guys. I have noted down. Okay. So if you are not having any problem, we'll stop here. Your next lecture or next sessions will be continued from as per your schedule. Thank you. I had a lecture tomorrow. I have a lecture on Friday actually, but because I have some other work, I requested your CC and taken tomorrow's lecture today. So tomorrow there will be another lecture, whatever is missed by you in today's session, 1 to 3 p.m. Okay. Thank you so much, all of you. I enjoyed this lecture. I hope you might have also enjoyed. Thank you. Thank you, Sneha. So with this note, I will close this session. Thank you once again.